So hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to set the black screen of display capture. It's a major issue in every PCs. They got a black screen when they display their capture, display their screen. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So friends, it's very easy method. I've fixed it, that's why it's showing like this. So first go to your PC, it gonna work really, I swear you, it really gonna work. Go to manage, then go to device manager. Now you click on display adapters, then there will be two settings: Intel HD graphics and Radeon TM520. It's for my PC. Then right click on Radeon, and I've disabled. It will be enabled in your PC. Just right click on it and disable it. I am enabling it. It's working, and now if I disable it, yes, it's working. You just have to go to device manager, display adapters, and right click on Radeon, and it will show you disable. You have to disable it, and your screen will be captured. I fixed it, that's why it's showing like this. It gonna work on your PC. So apply it and see. If if you found that the issue is fixed, then please comment me, like, share and subscribe my video for friends to help them out.